5 things I wish I knew before starting my fitness journey. The first thing is, don't obsess over the scale. Don't obsess over the scale, okay? There are better ways to check your progress than the scale. The scale can't differentiate if you lost 2 pounds of fat or 2 pounds of water weight. It can't tell if you gained a pound of fat or a pound of muscle. So let's not put too much on the scale. I don't step on the scale. The scale don't even know my business. When I first started my journey, I would step on the scale every morning, and although I knew that fact, somehow I still just needed to see the number. And if the number didn't look like how I wanted to look, it would just ruin my whole day. I would think I was doing something wrong, etc., until I figured out better ways to check my progress. So that brings me to number 2. The second thing is take progress photos. That's one of the best ways to check your progress. Put on the same outfit, stand in the same place, same position, and check your progress within a month, within 2 months. And then you'll see okay, wait a second, I didn't think I was losing anything, but I'm looking more lean or whatever, or oh, my glutes grew bigger. So progress photos are amazing. Another way to check your progress is gauge how your clothes are fitting. It's kind of hard to tell with stretchy clothes, so get some clothes that have no stretch and see okay, ooh, I got a little bit more space in the waistband. Last way that I check my progress is I use measuring tape. So I'll measure my waist, oh, okay, babes, you went down half an inch, or measure my hips or whatever. So that is definitely one of the best indicators of how to check your progress. The third thing is to check nutrition labels. A lot of these companies are really deceptive in their advertising on the front of their product. And once you turn around to the back and you really look at the nutrition label and look at the serving size, you'll realize the math ain't math, and that's not what it said on the front of the label. So check the labels and make sure that you are eating the serving size. Trust me, you can have too much of a good thing. Next thing would be failing to plan is planning to fail. Meal prep your food. Meal prepping reduces the margin of error for you to binge eat and throw yourself off of your plan for your fitness goals. So have some foods readily available to you, things that you know you like to eat, right? And you'll eat that throughout the week. Also, plan ahead by having snacks, but snacks that won't throw you off of your plan, that will curb your salty craving or curb your sweet craving, but won't throw you off, okay? You don't want to deprive yourself, because depriving leads to you binge eating and doing stuff that you're not supposed to be doing and just falling off and being oh, well, I just ruined it. No, find things that are healthy and that go with what you're trying to achieve. You get me? Need I explain anymore? Have a workout buddy. Having a workout buddy was pivotal in my fitness journey. We made a plan that we were going to hike this certain amount of days within the week. And the thing about it is, having a workout buddy is similar to having an accountability buddy. I didn't want to be the one who canceled on the plans. I didn't want to look like the slacker between the two of us, and she didn't want to feel the same way either. So even if I didn't feel like it, I dragged myself up to that mountain and was hiking. It's also just a great way to switch up your workout routine, because working out from home or working out in the gym can be a really solitary activity. But having someone that you can have banter with and y'all are doing something positive for your bodies, it's kind of a win-win situation. So those are the 5 things that I wish that I knew when I started my fitness journey. And of course, there's way more things. And if you want me to share those, leave a comment and I'll make another video.